What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I think you can tell where we're at right now. We're here at Port Mansfield. I'm here with Adrian, my cousin Adrian.
Hey, what's up?
We're here at the same spot we came with, I came with Sergio. We did pretty good. Adrian's usually a freshwater fisherman, so he wanted to come out, see if we can get some reds, some flounders, some trout. So we'll see how we do. Okay, guys, so we just got into the water. It's kind of cold, not gonna lie. It's a little bit windier than we thought it was gonna be, but we'll see what we can do. Also, we're trying something new. We got some lures here. This is something we've been working on for quite a while now. We finally got some samples, so we're gonna try them out right now. We'll see how we do. Okay, guys, so right now we know that there's some flounder here in the area, so we're trying to work it kind of slow, just bouncing it off the bottom. We don't want to work it too slow, so that way we can get some redfish, trout, whatever's in here. But yeah, we're just bouncing it off the bottom, just real. Give it 2 pops, just let it fall down, repeat. Okay, guys, we got one. Of course. What is it? ¿Qué es? ¿Una truchita? Un colorado. Okay, guys, we got a little red. On the prototype lure. We still don't got a name for it. If you got any suggestions, let us know. Alright, first fish of the day. There we go. We got another one, guys. I think it might be a trout. Un whiting. Ese es un whiting, ¿no? Ah, me picó la... Yes, sir, Adrian hooked up. ¿Qué es una trucha? ¿Qué trucha? La chiquita, no? Una small trout. Ooh. Oh, we're hooked up, guys. We're hooked up. It's a trout. Might be a keeper. Might be a small one. Small trout, not a keeper. Fuck, sí es cierto. Once again, guys, the new lure is a prototype. ¡Órale! ¡Vámonos! Small trout once again. My first fish I caught when it's raining. Okay, he just unhooked himself. I don't want to grab it, but it's there. And then go. Once again with the new lures. I think that's 3 or 4 fish that I've caught with this one. Still looks good. ¡Oh, esa está buena! Brincó a la red. ¿Double up o no? ¡Double up! Y de repente sí skipper. Le hace el rod así para atrás, atrás de ti. ¿No crees? Chéquenlo. Sí, pero fue esa noche. Ah, está chiquito. Es un croaker. Un croaker. Catches all species. Sí, pero... Me acuerdo de lo de Caro, de la pistola. Espérate. ¿Se ve que está buena? Ah, claro. A ver, Adrián, la trucha.
Con el color blanco, trabajándolo a media altura, dándole estironcitos, poquitos twitches y salió algo bien.
Te voy a dar mi GoPro. No sé qué sea.
Probablemente sea una atalaya,
Trucha. Trucha. Y es trucha, la acabo de ver.
Tiene que estar mal. Está buena, perro.
¿Cuál está ganchada mal? La trae en el, hasta adentro.
Ah, güey, mira que lo trae como al lado.
No, se enredó. Mirando, ¿no? ¿Le agarras todo? ¿Te ayudo? Espérate, no. Está grande. Como dice Magnum, chingón.
Fuck, Johnny B, puro pinche Adrian.
¿Quieres tus fish chips o los míos? Okay, so as you saw in the video, this is the lure I was throwing right here. This is a 3-inch. Like I said, we still don't have a name for it. We kind of have some ideas, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is the color I was throwing. The white one, it's like kind of transparent at the belly. But we also have these right here. We have a red one, a blue one. This is the white one. A red with green. This is like a black and kind of transparent belly. And the yellow one. And as you can see, I think it worked. So yeah, guys. So right now, we need to fillet them. So I think we forgot a knife. So we're probably gonna stop somewhere, get a knife, get some ice, and yeah, this should be the end of the video.